Happy Umuganura! Every year on the first Friday of August, Rwandans come together to celebrate Umuganura. This is a day to celebrate the country's harvest and is a moment of gratitude and unity. Historically, Umuganura was an ancient Rwandan festival celebrated since the founding of Rwanda by King Gihanga. During this festival, people offer their produce, especially sorghum, livestock, milk, and other harvests, to the king, and the king would kneel and prepare umutsima, which is a sorghum-based dish similar to fufu, and serve it to the people, which was a powerful symbol of respect, humility, and national pride. After this, people would dance, drink, recite their achievement, and make goals for the new year. Umuganura was more than just a feast. It was a huge celebration that brought together communities and built national unity. After being paused for so many years since the colonial era, the government officially brought back Umuganura as a public holiday in 2011. Today, it has a modern meaning, but it still focuses on the original values of gratitude, patriotism, hard work, and unity. Rwandans now use the day to reflect on how far they have come as a nation and what they will be together in the future. This year, the theme is Isoko y'ubumwe n'ishingiro ryo kwigira, a source of unity and the foundation of self-reliance. So, as Rwandans celebrate this day, what have you achieved this year and what will you plan for the year to come? Umuganura mwiza.